Hello and welcome. In this video, I will talk about Fillet and Chamfer command in AutoCAD. Let's start with the Fillet tool. To activate Fillet, type FIL on your keyboard and press enter. You can also choose from the ribbon bar. Fillet is used mainly to fill the corners with arc in order to reduce the sharpness of corners. Let's do some examples. Choose Fillet. It is prompting you to specify it is object, but notice that the current setting mode radius is 0. This means Fillet will not have any effect on your objects. Let's try and see with the current setting. I will select this line as my first object and this object. So as you can see, there is no change over the object. Let's try with radius. Choose Fillet and select radius. We give radius because if you want to join two lines with the arc, you must give radius of that arc. Let's say radius of 4. Select first object and second object. So in this way, Fillet is created between two lines. Let's see other mode of Fillet and do this. Select Fillet, select radius 4 again. Now go to trim mode. There are two options, trim and no trim. Let's choose second one, Fillet with no trim. Select first object, select second object. As you can see, extra line is created after Fillet. So let's try Fillet with trim. Select Fillet, select radius as 4 and choose trim option. Choose with trim. As you can see, all the extra lines are trimmed off and Fillet is replaced. Let's see other option available. First choose Fillet. Choose radius as 4, select trim option, choose with trim and choose multiple, so you can apply Fillet to all corners at once. There is one more advantage of using Fillet. For example, if I want to join these two lines at intersection point using Fillet, you can do that. Select Fillet, keep radius as 0, then select first object and second object. As you can see, the lines are connected at intersection. But if you type radius, let's say I want radius of 5 units, then an arc with radius of 5 is created between the two lines. So in this way, you can join two lines with an arc Fillet. Not only that, you can apply similar method to this geometry. Let's select Fillet, select radius 5 units, select multiple option, then select first circle and second circle. It is connected and the remaining circle will be the same. After that you can delete this triangle. See what you created. How cool is that? Next we have Chamfer command. You can activate Chamfer by clicking this fly out button, or you can type CHA on your keyboard and press enter. To chamfer entities, you have to provide two distances as shown in the picture, distance 1 and distance 2. First distance will be trimmed on first selected object and second distance will be trimmed on second selected object, and there will be intermediate line will be drawn from the trim lines as shown in the picture with red color. Let's see how to do it. Click Chamfer and press enter. Now check current setting. Trim mode is in trim mode and distance 1 is 3 units and distance 2 is 3 units also. If you want, you can change these distances. Let the units as they are as of now. Now AutoCAD prompts you to select first line. I will select this line and second line I will select this line. As you can see, you will get chamfer like this with the current setting. And if you set trim mode to no trim mode, as in the case of Fillet, an extra line will be left as they are. Let's see one example for that. Select Chamfer and click trim mode option, then choose no trim and again change the distances. First choose distance option, then type distance 1 as, let's say 3 units and distance 2 as 4 units. Now it is asking to select first line. I will select this, then second line I will select this. As you can see, first distance is 3 units and I want to show you with the dimension. Choose dimension, select linear and select object. As you can see, first distance is 3 units and second distance is 4 units. So like this, chamfer will be created with the given distances And if you set trim mode with trim, it will cut off these extra lines. Similarly, if you want to chamfer entities in multiple corners, you can choose multiple options. For example, choose chamfer, select distance, let's say 4 units by 4 units as first and second distance. Then select multiple options. Then you can directly click on the corners to apply chamfer like this. This is how filleting and chamfering is done in AutoCAD.